Bangladesh, a nation of vibrant culture and resilient people, stands at a critical juncture. Economic pressures weigh heavily. The global slowdown, coupled with internal challenges, has fueled uncertainty. Public trust, the bedrock of any stable society, has been strained. The Awami League fell due to a student movement, leading to an interim government facing economic challenges. The interim government bears a weighty responsibility to steer the nation toward stability, prosperity, and renewed hope. The challenges are undeniable. Yet within these challenges lie opportunities. Bangladesh possesses inherent strengths, a dynamic workforce, a burgeoning entrepreneurial spirit, and a strategic location at the heart of a rapidly growing region. By harnessing these strengths through prudent policies and decisive action, Bangladesh can overcome its present difficulties and emerge stronger on the other side. This is not a time for quick fixes or empty promises. It demands a comprehensive approach, one that addresses both the immediate symptoms and the underlying causes of the present situation. Economic stabilization measures must go hand in hand with efforts to create jobs, foster social cohesion, and restore faith in institutions. The road ahead will not be easy, but the destination is worth every ounce of effort. A Bangladesh where economic opportunity is abundant, a Bangladesh where social harmony prevails, a Bangladesh that stands tall and proud on the world stage. This is the future that is within reach. Let us seize this moment and build that future together. The first order of business is to stabilize the economy. Bangladesh must rebuild its foreign exchange reserves. This requires attracting more foreign investment and remittances from overseas Bangladeshis. Incentivizing remittances through favorable exchange rates and reduced transfer costs can make a real difference. Simultaneously, boosting exports is crucial. Bangladesh has already established itself in sectors like ready-made garments. Now it's time to diversify. Focus on areas like pharmaceuticals, IT services, and light engineering. These sectors can create jobs and bring in valuable foreign currency. Fiscal discipline is paramount. The government must prioritize essential spending while exercising prudence in non-essential areas. This careful approach will send a strong signal to markets and investors, restoring confidence in Bangladesh's economic management. Economic growth without job creation is meaningless. Bangladesh needs to generate employment opportunities for its young and growing population. Small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, are the backbone of any economy. They need access to credit, technology, and training to flourish. Public works projects can provide immediate employment while improving infrastructure. Investing in roads, bridges, and rural electrification not only creates jobs but also lays the foundation for future growth. Vocational training programs are crucial to equip the workforce with the skills needed for the 21st century job market. Section 4. Healing divides, building consensus. Economic progress is inextricably linked to social stability. The interim government must prioritize national dialogue and reconciliation, engage with all political parties to create an environment conducive to free and fair elections. Expanding social safety nets is essential to protect the most vulnerable. Programs like cash transfers, food assistance, and affordable healthcare can provide a critical lifeline for those struggling to make ends meet. Above all, transparency and open communication are vital. Section 5. Engaging the world, attracting investment. Bangladesh cannot prosper in isolation. It needs to strengthen diplomatic ties with all nations, particularly its neighbors. These relationships are key to regional trade, investment, and security. The international community should view Bangladesh as a partner, not just a recipient of aid. Showcase the progress made and the potential that exists. Attract foreign direct investment in key sectors. This requires creating a business-friendly environment, ensuring policy consistency, and upholding the rule of law. Section 6. A brighter future, built on trust. The road ahead for Bangladesh is challenging, but with the right policies and the collective will of its people, a brighter future is within reach. Stabilizing the economy, creating jobs, fostering social harmony, and engaging constructively with the world are not separate goals, but interconnected pillars upon which a stronger Bangladesh can be built. However, the most important ingredient in this endeavor is trust. The interim government must work tirelessly to restore public trust in institutions, in the political process, and in the very idea that a better tomorrow is possible. This requires honesty, transparency, and a genuine commitment to serving the interests of all Bangladeshis. With these principles as their guide, Bangladesh can navigate these turbulent times and emerge as a beacon of hope and prosperity in South Asia and beyond.